Congresswoman Ayanna Pressley is an activist, a legislator, a survivor, and the first woman of color to be elected to Congress from the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. She served on Boston City Council for 8 years, becoming the first woman of color to be elected to the council in its 100-year history. Join me in welcoming Congresswoman Ayanna Pressley.
Like the people, like again, who came through the Biden program, like, is there like a way that they could have something for them so they don't get deported, or make it so they don't deport Haitians because it's obviously not safe there right now?